For most of their lives, cicadas remain buried deep underground, quietly feeding on the sap of tree roots. Year after year, billions of them stay hidden beneath the surface, slowly growing in the darkness. Then, after an incredible 17 years, they all begin to rise. Billions of cicadas emerge together, blanketing trees, fences, and streets. Each female then lays hundreds of eggs in the branches of trees. When these eggs hatch, the tiny young cicadas fall to the ground, dig deep into the soil, and begin the amazing cycle all over again.